Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you how you can automation on YouTube. So to get started, go ahead and open up YouTube application. Now you will be appear with the home page of YouTube. So here, as you can see, many videos has been uploaded from different channels. You can see the channel's name right here. So YouTube automation is something that the channel does not have any representation or any individual group. It's like a creator but without showing any face or without doing any face reveal. So for example, let's go to any channel. We'll just choose this. So the channel we choose right here, it is a YouTube automation channel. So this channel does not have any face to represent. This channel has not uploaded or revealed their face on YouTube. It just create a content around it using graphic designs or 3D designs. So this is what YouTube automation is. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.